When you are looking for the best budget-friendly beauty must-haves, I have found many options that will enhance your face and body without burning a hole in your pocket. If you are looking for affordable makeup and skincare products, I have gained invaluable experience with the ideal products that will make your skin look its best. Since you may not want to spend money on pricey skin treatments, I have some recommendations for products that are available at your fingertips. Of course, looking your best on a budget is about making smart choices. So, if you are looking for the best ways to improve your skin without running up your credit card bills, look no further. My recommendations will help you achieve beautiful skin. When you are looking for cruelty-free and paraben-free products, there are many affordable products for you to choose from. First and foremost, you must know your skin type before you begin using any new product. I recommend doing a patch test on your skin before you begin using a new product. Everyone's skin is different. What works for one may not work for another. After reading so much about the positive results of snails on the skin, I decided to test this product. The use of snail ingredients helps improve the appearance of the skin. This trial kit includes snail mucin, which helps moisturize, repair, and soothe your skin. When you need a good cream to reduce dark circles under your eyes, this eye cream will become your best friend. All you need is a little dab to make those under-eye circles disappear. Because I never leave my home without my sunscreen, I highly recommend you apply an SPF 30+ daily. Not only is this sunscreen ideal to protect your skin from harmful UVA UVB rays, but it also has broad-spectrum SPF 40+. Also, this sunscreen comes in different shades, leaving you with a healthy glow. So, if you have oily skin, you should use hyaluronic acid to help balance oil and prevent breakouts. When you are looking for a good cleanser, this face wash has everything you need to remove dirt and grime without disrupting your skin barrier. Hence, regardless of your skin type, hyaluronic acid is a great addition to your skincare regimen. Green tea is another great ingredient to use for skincare. Also, green tea helps reduce melanin, fights inflammation, and repairs and moisturizes your skin. So, if you are looking to try green tea on your skin, this skincare set includes the following products: cleanser, eye cream, mask, and serum. Additionally, these products will keep your skin hydrated and help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. If you travel a lot for business or vacation, this kit has everything you need to make your skin look its best. Included in this kit are the following products: face cream, moisturizing eye balm, and moisturizing toner. When you are looking for a good product that helps massage your skin, this Jade Roller is ideal. You can use this roller after you wash your face and apply your moisturizer and toner. I recommend you spend 5 to 8 minutes rolling this over your face, neck, or body. Now that we're done with skincare products, let's move on to budget-friendly, must-have makeup products. Although makeup is an art, you don't need to be a makeup artist to find high-quality products. I will show you some of my favorite products that I use all the time. Since I don't use foundation or concealer, I use an SPF 30+ daily and apply it all over my face. When I'm using a tinted SPF, I use a good sponge to blend. Use this every day. This moisturizer has an SPF 46 and has broad-spectrum UVA, UVB, and blue light protection. With this moisturizer, you can skip the foundation. Of course, everyone needs a good sponge. Whether you use foundation, powder, or a tinted SPF, a sponge is a must. This versatile sponge can be used for your eyes or face to provide flawless coverage. At under $10, this mascara is a must for any beauty lover. This mascara provides you with color, length, and volume. And best of all, it doesn't clump. At $5? Yes, you heard that right. This lip pencil is smooth and highly pigmented. When you are looking to have your eyes pop, this eyeliner is perfect. In rose gold, this eyeliner will stay on throughout the day and night. So, if you are looking for a hydrating vegan lipstick, this product is ideal. Available in lots of shades, this lipstick won't fade too fast. In essence, many individuals think if they spend less money on beauty essentials, they are not getting the same results. But that is a myth. Many skincare products and makeup products are as good, if not better, than some of their more expensive counterparts. Moreover, the key is to do a patch test on your skin to make sure you don't have any allergic reactions. In summary, we all want to look our best. As always, I welcome your comments on my recommendations for the best budget-friendly beauty must-haves that won't put a dent in your finances. What products will you try?